What's the purpose for the stop? You were brake checking.
No, sir. No, sir.
You were staring at me the whole time. You were being
unsafe. You took your
unsafe.
hands off the wheel to give me the finger on the way by me.
Totally
right?
legal to give you the finger.
Fine,
you weren't going to stop me until I gave you the finger.
Okay.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by The Beast in the Woods. Be sure to check out their channel and let him know I sent you. On July 29th, 2021, The Beast was driving to work on Interstate 279 in Pittsburgh when he found himself behind an Allegheny County Sheriff's prisoner transport van. They happened to be traveling the same route, and for over 3 minutes, The Beast observed Deputy Feeney driving under the speed limit, splitting lanes, crossing solid white lines, and slowing down when there seems to be no reason to. The Beast alleges that some of the moments where Deputy Feeney used his brakes appear to be brake checks. The Beast eventually sees an opportunity to overtake the deputy, and as he passes the van, he flips Deputy Feeney the bird. Moments later, the deputy initiates a traffic stop.
Reason you're driving like an asshole.
Your driver's license and registration, please.
What's the purpose for the stop?
You were tailgating me the whole way.
No, I wasn't. You were driving under the speed limit.
Under the speed limit.
You were. You're driving unsafely under the speed limit.
Unsafely.
You're braking, checking me. Got it all on camera.
I never brake checked you.
Yeah,
I'm
you
just
did.
driving slowly.
Driving slowly under the speed limit.
Up on me. Okay, we can argue about it.
We can. I have it on camera.
That's fine. Can I have your document?
I want your badge number and identification.
My badge number's right there, sir.
What is that?
Right there.
I'm sorry, I'm dyslexic.
217.
Okay, and your name?
Feeney.
You have a ID card or
May I
business
have your
card?
ID card?
Can I have your business card first?
I don't have a business card.
You don't have a business
No,
card?
I just told you my name and gave you
Okay.
your badge number. May I have your information, please? Thank you, sir. I don't think there's anything reason to be that excited about it.
No, that's the old one. You don't want that one.
If you want to talk about being safe, what you did when you passed me was unsafe by taking your hands off the wheel, sir.
Never took my hands off the wheel. Both.
Sure you did.
I had one hand on the wheel still.
That's fine. But you were so enraged by
you driving under the speed limit, creating an unsafe situation.
I was creating an unsafe situation.
You were.
By slowing down on the ramp, right?
Slowing down. You've been slowing down the whole way you were in front of me.
No, sir.
Then you were brake checking.
No, sir. No, sir.
You were staring at me the whole time.
No, sir. I was slowing down.
Were you not? Because I have it all on camera.
That's fine.
Okay.
That's fine. You came up on me at a high rate of speed.
I was at a high rate of speed. I was following the speed limit.
When?
The whole time.
On the ramp.
The whole time.
No, I'm talking about when we came over the bridge.
The whole time.
Okay, that's fine. I don't understand why you have to be so like you when I walk up here, you're telling me that I'm being unsafe.
You were being unsafe.
You took your hands off the wheel to give me the finger on the way by me.
Totally
right?
legal to give you the finger.
Fine, but you took your hands off the wheel and you flew by me.
With one hand, sir.
I saw one hand on the wheel, and there's nothing illegal about taking
He has one hand on the wheel. He gave you one finger.
I'm just
He can still have a hand on the wheel and still be driving.
That's fine.
I'm not trying to be ignorant to you, but sir,
You're being a dick.
You're literally being a dickhead.
I got the whole thing on camera.
I'm not calling anybody names.
I got the whole thing on camera. How do I? Yeah, because you're being a jagoff. Because I gave you the finger, you're being retaliatory, and you're pulling me at bullshit. You weren't going to stop me until I gave you the finger.
Okay, that's fine.
After a brief interaction, the deputy returns to his cruiser with the Beast's papers. During that time, the Beast looks up whether or not a deputy has the authority to issue a citation. I personally asked the Allegheny Sheriff's Office the answer to this question, and they told me that deputy sheriffs have full police powers, including the issuance of citations and initiating a traffic stop for any violation of the motor vehicle code. I then asked the Allegheny Police Department the same question, but they have yet to respond, and I doubt they will. Commonwealth v. Copenhaver is a case that was heard before the Pennsylvania Supreme Court and decided in April of 2020. In the case, A deputy sheriff conducted a vehicle stop of a pickup truck after observing that it had an expired registration sticker. During the stop, the driver was found to have been driving under the influence, amongst other things. A motion to suppress the evidence alleged that the deputy did not have the authority to conduct a traffic stop based on an expired tag, as it did not amount to a breach of the peace for purposes of a deputy's common law authority to make an arrest. Copenhaver was convicted, but appealed all the way to the state Supreme Court, who reversed the conviction, ruling that a deputy sheriff could only conduct a traffic stop if they observed the commission of a felony or misdemeanor offense or a breach of the peace, and because an expired tag does not pose any risk to the general public, the deputy did not have the authority to stop the defendant. Sheriff's deputies in Pennsylvania do not have general investigative power, or the power to enforce all traffic laws, and in this case, the stop is certainly questionable. Just 2.5 minutes later, the deputy returns, without a ticket.
What's your information, sir?
Have a great day.
Okay, so, like, I'm not trying to lecture anybody, you guys are calling me names. I was just, you guys were obviously, I know you're going to disagree with me, you guys tailgated me over the ramp, right? Okay, and then whenever I walk up here, then you're screaming, yelling at me, calling me names. I never called you any names. I was trying to be respectful.
Because you're retaliatory, because I gave you the bird.
I'm not retaliating.
You are. I gave you the bird, like I would give any other driver on the highway.
You have the right to do so, like you said. You can
It's
give somebody
my
the bird
First
if you want
Amendment.
to. But you also tailgating me, and
If I was, you would have called the local police officer.
why would I call a local police
Because
officer?
you have no jurisdiction to stop me. I haven't committed a misdemeanor or a
I have no
felony.
jurisdiction to stop
I've
you.
not committed a crime.
I can enforce the vehicle code, sir.
Okay? But all I'm saying is, you were going slow.
I'm not going to argue with you about semantics over the law because you're telling me I have no jurisdiction to stop you. I understand what you're saying. I'm just telling you to go on your way and not tailgate people anymore.
Okay.
If that's okay, if that's fair.
Okay.
Is that
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Is that fair?
Yep.
Okay. Have a good day.
You too. Fucking Jadro. He can't. He has no jurisdiction to. I looked it up.
I'm curious to know what your opinion is. Did the deputy pull over the beast because he was following too close? Or was this stop purely retaliatory for being on the receiving end of a single finger salute? A big thanks to the beast in the woods for sending in this video. He has asked if anyone in the Pittsburgh area was willing to accompany him on audits. If you want to, be sure to head over to his channel and let him know I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.